If you've been curious about castor oil wraps, this kit literally has all the different type of wraps that you need. Let's open it up and see. You have pretty much all the different wraps in one package. This one is for your neck and it is adjustable. These 2 pads are for your chest. You have 2 pads for your feet. And you have 2 pads that go around your knees. This one can go around your leg or your back. And then you have this one that goes around your stomach. What's really nice about these is you have plenty of elasticity and different sizes that you can fit this to yourself basically, and it hooks up to a button right here. It does have a little pouch here, which I think is nice because if you wanted to put like a little bit of a heat pack in there, then that would be nice too. This material right here is super soft, it's super durable, it's very absorbable, and you can also wash this and reuse it. Let me show you how to use this. We're going to use the knee wrap. It does have a nice Velcro strap. We're going to place oil on the white side, the absorbable side of this wrap. So just like that. Now I'm going to place it on my knee. So I like how you can just take this wrap and adjust it to how it fits comfortably for you. And I can still move. It stays in place. It's not digging into my skin. And so this is nice whether I'm just lounging around or if I'm having to move around at my house. All of the wraps have the adjustability, whether it's Velcro or the elasticity that you find on the other wraps itself. So it is customizable to fit your needs. If you're looking for a way to support your wellness, or you're just wanting to try the castor oil with the wraps, then you should definitely check this one out.